All right, here we got a Diggit EM15 Mini X, gas powered. Not sure how many tons this is, but it's more than 1 ton, I know that. I'll get the info and put it in the description, but it's a nice one. Pilot controls, auxiliary hydraulics, 14-inch bucket, I believe, on the front there. We got all the implements in this coming auction as well. Auger, different blades and all that sort of thing. There's the motor. Nice access door there. This little dealio goes up to get in, which is pretty nice. Okay, I'll fire it up and show you kind of how it works and go from there.